Hello and welcome to today's videos on using template account in Active Directory Windows Server 2016. A template account is a special account used only for copying as needed when you have to create a large numbers of user accounts. You should configure it to hold the various properties that are required for each and every user, so you need only enter individual information such as the usernames and passwords. So first of all, let's open Active Directory users in computers by using dsa.msc, hit enter, and this will open Active Directory users and computer console. Once you open Active Directory users in computer console, select the OU where you want to create a template user, and in this demonstration I want to create sales template account under our sales team OU. Just right click on it and select new and select user. Okay. Now type the default template name or a similarly descriptive name in the full name field and account name in the user logon name field. Let's type the name sales user. Now the underscore as the first character of the username causes this account to be listed at or very close to the top of the list of user account. You can also use a name that is descriptive of the type for being created, and in this example I'm going to specify the name underscore sales user as the name of our template user. Let's specify the user login name same as the first name. Click on next. Now let's specify the password. Now as you can see, the by default options is selected. User must change password at next logon, but I also want to select these options also. Account is disabled. By specifying that, the account will be disabled and it ensures that no one can log on using this template account. Click on next. Click on finish. The wizard creates the user object and close again. As you can see, we created one user named sales user, and as you can see, the account is disabled, and this is our template user account. Now let's modify the certain attributes on the various tabs, which is values common to all users you want to create. Now for example, we want to add this template user to group name sales users. So let's add that sales. Click on check names, and as you can see, look at our group sales users. Click on OK and click on apply and click on OK. So now this user is a member of the sales users group. Okay, and let's see the property. We also want to add organization. Like let's specify the department sales team. Click on apply. You can also specify the profile like a roaming profile path or home directory path, so on. But we'll see all that things in future videos. So right now I'm not going to specify anything under profile path. Add any other common properties that applies to all users, such as the organizational information, terminal services, and remote access settings, or you can specify the country or a state or city as per your organization requirement, and then click on OK. So this is the way how we can create a template user account. And now let's use this template user account to create a new user. To use the template, right click on the template user account and select copy. The copy object user wizards appears, and enter the required user information. Like let's specify the name of user, sales1. Click on next. Now as you can see, by default, user must change password at next logon options is selected. But this time we get this box also selected because we select this box while creating the template account, and that's why this box is by default selected. Let's remove it, and now let's specify the password which you want to set for your user account, and then click on next. Click on finish to create the user named sales1. Now let's see the property of this our user named sales1 by double clicking on it, or you can right click on it and then select the property. Now let's click on organization tab, and as you can see, the department of this user is by default is there. Sales team is there. Now if you see the membership of this user, as you can see, this user is a member of sales users group. So this is the way how you can create a template user account, and by using the template user account, you can create a multiple user account with similar properties. That's it for this video demonstration. Thanks for watching this video.